Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will discuss with you very interesting topics, MRI of female pelvic organ, and showing here the image. First of all, you can see here this is STIR sagittal image, and look here the pathology, and another image T2 sagittal image, and look here the pathology, and another is T1 sagittal image. Look here, yeah, and look here. Okay, now the distance factor, look at the distance factor, yeah, and look here. Okay, now another, and this is the bladder, yeah, and another is T2 coronal image. Look here, distance factor here, showing here, yeah. Now this is STIR coronal images. Now T2 axial, the motion blur. Now STIR axial, showing here, yeah, and this is the pathology. Now T1 axial, now DWI, yeah. Now very interesting case, and post contrast T1 vibe axial images showing here, and post contrast T1 vibe coronal images showing here, and sagittal showing here, and the main T1 FS post contrast axial images. Look here the pathology, very interesting case. And another is post contrast sagittal image. Look here and look here, yeah. So sad. Now patient is 33 years old, now young patient, and look here, now T1 FS coronal, and look here, another look here. Now this is the pathology, a big pathology, yeah. Very interesting case. Now all images are showing here, yeah. Yeah, showing here, yeah. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching my video.